Good morning. Welcome to Market Mashup, our weekly recap of financial markets and what we have in store for this week that might impact stocks and bonds. I'm Scott Nasca, President of Generation Capital Management. All markets were down a little bit last week. The Dow Jones down 0.2%, S&P down 0.10%, and NASDAQ was down 0.4%. So it broke really a 4-week positive momentum that we had with stocks. So we just saw just a slight give back last week as earnings season started to kick off in the past 10 days. So you want to keep an eye out what happens, going forward with that. Still a strong year so far for 2023 with stocks. So we want to see if the momentum continues to build there. On the bond market side, we have the 2-year at 4.16 and the 10-year at 3.53%. So got about 63 basis point inversion still taking place. That's pretty much what it's been for the past few weeks. Is the shorter end of the market, and the bond market is higher than longer end in terms of the yields that you're getting. So this inversion still leads us to believe that we're going to be seeing an economic slowdown and or recession later on this year, as the inversion usually points to that direction. So keep an eye out on that. The markets pay attention to, and it's something you just want to have bookmarked on your screen just to monitor on a daily or weekly basis. A lot of data points coming out this week. We have consumer confidence and Q1 2023 GDP numbers coming out on Tuesday. And we have the March PCE coming out on Friday. Pay attention to both of those, or all three of those data points coming out, as they're important in terms of Fed policy going forward. And, we have big earnings coming out this week. Megatech comes out with Amazon, Alphabet, Meta, which is the old Facebook, and Microsoft all reporting this week, throughout the week. So keep an eye out for that and see, they tend to lead markets or have market reactions in terms of the news that comes out. In total, 15% of the S&P 500 companies will be reporting earnings this week. So there's going to be a lot of information and data points to come out. So you just want to pay attention to that and see, what guidance you can get from these companies going forward, and if they're seeing any experience with inflation or economic slowdown. So you just want to really pay attention to what these companies have out there. The biggest companies, they tend to move to market, so pay attention to that. Feel free to check out our website, www.gencapmgmt.com. You can take a look at our blogs that we have out there, our videos. John Top's Tips is out there, some good financial planning advice, especially it's Financial Literacy Month in April. So pay attention and take a look at there. We're ready to answer any questions that you might have, give you a second opinion in terms of your portfolio, and just make sure that your goals and objectives are meeting your risk tolerances, and that you're positioned properly for the volatility in the marketplace. Our team is ready. We look forward to having you reach out to us. Once again, my name is Scott Nasca, President of Generation Capital Management, and this is Market Mashup. Have a great week, everyone.